Well, good morning, everyone. It is so early today. I can't tell if it's going to be a nice day or not out. I think it might be promising to be sunny, but I'm not sure. But today, we're working in our Junk Journal January journal. It's day 3. And the prompt is Throwback. And I just so happened to find this right before Christmas, and it's an old Christmas photo of when all I had was 5 sons. No daughters were born yet. I had 5 sons all together first, and then I had 3 girls, and then a last boy. But this little guy, Nate, was born in 1990, so in July, and he looks like he's about 6 months old there or so. So I'm guessing this is Christmas 1990, so that's a throwback for sure. And then I had this fabric from Dollar Tree, which reminds me of fabric that my mother would have made dresses out of for me, like in the early 70s. I'm going to use that as a fabric flip-up. Then I found this paper, which I've had for years and years. And I'm going to try to make a little bit of a frame for this picture. And because I thought this also looked kind of 70s-ish, and it also kind of, the colors go together. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we'll see how we can decorate the top a little bit with maybe a ribbon or something, or lace or something like that. And it's going to go right on this page right here. So I don't want my picture frame to be bigger than this though. So let's get that cut out. I have my little die cut thing here. And I think we'll start just like putting it like that. I'm going to cut this off, and then we'll just decide, you know, how much I need to cut off when we're all done. I'm just trying to get the cutout done here. So I have my Sissix Big Kick. This is not a big shot, it's a big kick. And so I'm just going to run it through run that, you know, frame and paper through my machine, and I might have to move it because the tripod is right in front of me. So I'm going to move it this way, and now we'll go back and see how it works. There's a little crack. It's inside the... Alright, so it should have worked. I heard a couple of cracks there. And, yep. So this is what we're left with. And then I can just trim around it. And then I can use this as a journaling card somewhere. And, yeah, so I just need to trim it so it fits around the picture good. And we'll be good to go. Let's see. Oh yeah, that will be perfect. I don't want to cut anybody off, but I don't mind cutting a little bit of the Christmas tree off. But really, I'm not cutting off that much. And now I have to figure out, I think I'll just cut it right on there, on that dotted line. It's perfect length. But I think we'll just make a mark to cut it like here and here, and I think that should be good enough. Today I'm going to be picking Bethany up, and we're going to have a little birthday party for my grandson today, so that should be fun. She also has a neurology appointment this morning, so hopefully that will go okay. Oops. And and she does have a nurse that's taking her. I could go if I wanted to, but I want her to get used to other people doing it, because let's face it, I'm going to die someday, and I think I need to make this bottom straight. I'm going to die someday, and other people are going to be doing these things. It's really been hard for me to let go of that kind of, for lack of a better word, control. But I need to, in order for Bethany to have an independent life, especially after I'm gone. So I see we need to cut a little bit off here still. Okay, so now my frame is pretty much exactly the same size as my fabric flip. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my page and glue my picture down, hopefully straight. So we're going to, I think I'll put it down just a little bit lower because I need room to flip up. So we'll put this right here. Got that there. It looks straight to me. I'm going to get out a wipe because you never know. I'm messy, especially when it comes to glue. And I have some rickrack that's this color, the blue color. And, oh, I think I put the fringy side on the bottom. That would be cute. And then maybe I could put like a flower up here or something like that. But the next order of business is to make sure this corner is down. I feel like stuff is not sticking like it used to. I had trouble getting my clear pockets to stick in my grandson's little book, and now I'm having trouble getting this to stick. Usually it sticks pretty quickly with this. Okay, we got that, and now we'll just put this down. Oops. I'm thinking maybe I should trim it down just a teensy bit more on all sides so that it's not exactly the same size. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I think that looks good. Got some glue on the picture, of course, and then this will just go like that, and we'll flip that up. So let's get some glue on here. I'm wondering if it might be better to use the glue stick. Let's try that. Do the glue stick. I gotta make sure I'm staying on camera here. Okay. Oops. How are you all doing? What kind of day are you having today? Like I mentioned before, I think we're going to have a nice happy day with our daughter and grandson and my son and his wife. So are we on camera? Yes, I see a glob of glue there that we don't need. I am going to wipe that off my fingers. Get my little thing and just make sure everything's down good. So there's that. My 5 beautiful sons when they were little. Let's see, 1990, he was 14, 11, 5, 3, and about 6 months. So I'm going to just put a strip of glue right across here with put our Throwback fabric down on, And yep, it's still covering everything up, so that's good. Get that down good, and yeah, I like that. We'll put our little piece of trim on there. I feel like a little more trim would be good, but I don't think I have anything. So this is going to be it. I'm trying to get done, like I said, I want to go pick up my daughter in a little bit, so I want to get this done and edited before we do that. My husband's working until 12, and then we'll get ready to go pick her up. She will be at her activity program when we pick her up. It's a little bit closer to our house than picking her up at her house, so that'll be good. Her house is about 18 miles from here, so it's not that big of a deal. And the program is probably about 10 miles from here, so we've been... Oh, now I have to figure out what to put here. I'm going to go check for some flowers, because it definitely needs a flower and a number. Oh, maybe I could use something like this. Instead of a flower. Seems kind of big though. I put the number on it. I don't know. I don't... Oh, there's some others. Turn them over. You get different view. I don't really see any others that I like that much. That goes. We could do that. Maybe we'll do that. I'll put something else in the middle though. It's too green. You know, it needs something to break up the green a little bit, I think. Probably just cut a circle out of something to put there with the number on it. Alright, so I have cut out the number 3, or cut out a blue circle and put number 3 on it. I was thinking about maybe putting a flower at the top. These are my flowers. I've got not a lot of choices though. Got this. That's pretty. I was thinking maybe actually put 2 flowers there. That kind of looks pretty. Oh, wait, I have a green one. Put that up there. Or should I just do this? Maybe I should put the 3 on this color and just have the flowers. I like that idea too, but can I get the 3 off? That's the question. I don't have a lot of number choices, but it worked. So let's put that on there. Number 3, and then my flowers. I think that's going to work. I think that's going to do it, but I am going to ink around the edges of this with maybe some blue. Alright, let's see how this will look. And I think it's going to have to do because I'm running out of time. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. 2 flowers and the circle number 3, and that's it for this spread. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day, or, well, for me it's still early morning, so I hope you will have a wonderful day. And tell me what you're doing in the comments below. What are you up to? If you're doing Junk Journal January, let me know and I will check out your channel. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by and commenting. It just makes my day when I feel like somebody is actually watching what I'm doing, besides me. Well, my battery went dead there in mid-sentence, I believe, but here is my Junk Journal January day number 3 spread for Throwback. I got some fabric that I felt like could have been made in the early 70s, like a dress. Reminds me of dresses my mother made for me back then. The same kind of florally pattern. And you lift it up and there's a throwback photo of Christmas 1990 with my 5 sons. Now, I still am going to do the other content I was talking about, you know, getting older and reinventing myself, so to speak. But that will probably happen in February because I want to get Junk Journal January out of the way. And hopefully I'll be posting every day in January. And then once February starts, I'm planning to post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and maybe with a bonus video now and then. But anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. I truly hope that your day is going to go well and that you're happy, healthy, and safe. I'll see you again tomorrow for prompt number 4, which is tuck spot. Well, that's probably not too difficult to achieve. Bye-bye, guys.